Say it's good for hair growth and good for dry skin, dry scalp. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that out, you know.
I mean, I say a lot, but I think a lot and I keep it in. You may wonder what I'm plotting, but it's deep as shit. I might keep it to my death as my secret, or let it out and blow your mind with my genius. Nah, you ain't even.
What's going on, people? Welcome back. I want to come at y'all with a real quick video. I have some good information coming through for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Tutorial type stuff. I'm talking about styles. I got the details. I will be getting the details to you. Matter of fact, I'll put it down in the description. But these are the styles that are going to be shown. You know, it's going to be like a class is going on. And I will be the hair model, however you want to say it, for the class. Like they're going to be doing like different styles on my hair, showing how to do it, you know, and getting you all the tips and information you need to get right with these styles. You know, do it yourself type stuff, or go get it done and knowing what need to be done. So that way, if the person don't know, you be like, hey, wait a minute, you need to put that right over there, wrap it around, yo, get it. You know what I'm saying? But before I go into doing this, I will be doing the ACV rinse. Another thing I will be doing, it's probably going to be like about 3 weeks, 2 weeks. I don't know. The next time before a wash, I will be trying a aloe vera hair mask. You know what I'm saying? They say it's good for hair growth and good for dry skin, dry scalp. So I'm going to go ahead and try that out. You know, why not put it in there? Go ahead and get right. Already got a leaf in the fridge, chilling, waiting for me to use, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna get right with that. But want to come at y'all, let y'all know I will be giving y'all some good information on how to get some styles done. That is coming soon, like in the next week, because I'm gonna be doing it this Sunday. So yeah, that's coming. And till the next time, when I see you, I'm gonna be getting done up and be fresh as hell. You know, I went through the second wash. You know what I'm saying? They got a little bit of such and such. But we gonna get right. As far as getting it styled and all that, I'm gonna go ahead and go through the process, and I'm gonna make sure I know what I need to get done and what I need to leave out. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and get right on that part. You gonna see what's going on. But till next time, tune in, or you gonna miss it, you feel me? We gonna be in there. Stay locked. Keep it healthy. It's your one more bae, and I'm out.